Hello there, crypto champions. Welcome to Primeblock Capital's daily update for May the 5th, 2025. It's a bank holiday for us Brits out there. And I'm your host, Fun Show. And today we're going to be diving into Bitcoin's consolidation just above $94,000 amidst major institutional and global developments. We're going to be exploring 21 Capital's aim to hold 42,000 Bitcoins, SoftBank's $3.6 billion crypto venture, Trump media's recent pivot to crypto and ETFs, Kraken's offerings for high net worth individuals, and also Xi Jinping's state visit to Russia. So if you're a crypto investor, stick around because we're going to get into it. And if you want daily insights and also a place where you guys can chat with me and the rest of the team here at Primeblock Capital, join our free WhatsApp Crypto Insights Hub. The link is in the description and let's dive in. So Bitcoin's holding steady above $94,000 following an 11% weekly surge earlier this month. And it's best since November 2024. Recent posts on X note kind of a bearish momentum with a 1.4% dip to this level, despite a $48 million whale buy that came in. So the fear and greed index is currently at 52, which is signaling neutral. So if we've got $99,000 as the resistance that's in focus and also $90,000 support if selling pressure grows. So some analysts are predicting that that might well be the case. Ethereum's also down very slightly, about 0.3%, trading at around $1,800 with mixed whale activity. So what's driving the market at the moment? That's one of the things that we want to break down today with the latest professional investment trends. But I do want to show you guys as well where I think Bitcoin could be heading. So as you can see here, we have that rejection from $99,000, and that has become the major level of resistance that we need to try and break through. And we've got this $90,000 support. It looks like strong support based on this candle here. Of course, if we lose that, then we could head down even as low as, low 70s. I don't believe we're likely to see that happen. I think the narrative shift is pretty clear at the moment. What we're seeing here is that huge move up with Bitcoin. It's been rejected at 99. It's now finding its feet, going to look for the next major level of support. And I think that we're likely to see a strong bounce from there. You take a look at the volume here. You can see how it's just tapering down. So with that loss of volume, it's very easy for the price of Bitcoin to be manipulated and to be moved around. This is where the exchanges start stepping in and institutions and playing around with the prices to get people that are using high leverage out of the game. But if you also look at the RSI, this is on the weekly here. We've had that crossover. It looks quite neutral. And I think that we're likely to see that start to taper back up once Bitcoin's found its new level of support. So let's move on to 21 Capital's bold Bitcoin strategy. This is something that I've already shared with you guys, but it is making waves. They're aiming to hold 42,000 Bitcoin, which would make it the third largest Bitcoin treasury globally. And according to a recent investor presentation by Jack Mallers. So they're merging with Cantor Equity Partners, and it's seen their stock go up by 462% since April 22nd, which is really reflecting strong investor appetite for Bitcoin exposure. And this move mirrors strategies like MicroStrategy's own strategy. That's a mouthful. And is signaling growing institutional confidence in Bitcoin's long-term outlook and value. So this is perfect for high net worth individuals that are looking to diversify with a trusted digital asset in the space. Next up, SoftBank's $3.6 billion crypto venture and Trump media's pivot. So SoftBank, alongside Cantor Fitzgerald and Tether, have launched a $3.6 billion Bitcoin investment vehicle, and 21 Capital, as investors, anticipate pro-crypto policies under the Trump administration. Meanwhile, Trump media announced a binding agreement to roll out retail investment products, including crypto and ETFs aligned with America's first policies. Now, these developments highlight a shift in regulatory landscape, making crypto more accessible to traditional finance. And this is a key trend for long-term investors to keep an eye on. Next up, I want to talk about Kraken's offerings for high net worth individuals and also global market impacts. So Kraken is stepping up its game for high net worth clients, offering margin trading with up to 5 times leverage and consultation services exclusively for institutions and ultra high net worth individuals. Now, this comes as the US dollar faces turbulence, and with Xi Jinping's state visit to Russia from May 7th to the 10th, trending on X. The visit's coinciding with Russia's Victory Day, and it aims to deepen strategic coordination between the two nations, potentially impacting global markets and reinforcing Bitcoin's appeal as a hedge against dollar volatility. Okay, so what does that mean for high net worth individuals and crypto investors in the UK? Well, Bitcoin's price is above $94,000. It's showing stability, but bearish momentum and global shifts could bring more volatility. So we've got that $99,000 resistance and $90,000 as support that's in focus. Institutional moves by the likes of 21 Capital, SoftBank, and obviously Trump media are signaling a maturing crypto market. And that's a good thing for people that are involved in crypto right now. So when we look at the likes of Kraken, who are now offering, specific consultation services for high net worth individuals, that to me is a clear signal that retail high net worth individuals and also institutions are wanting to get more involved investing in the crypto market. So Bitcoin really is a long-term compelling hedge against volatility. And now is the time to think about diversifying your portfolios and managing risks. So if you need any help, reach out to us. So that's your crypto update for May the 5th, 2025. I hope you're enjoying your bank holiday. If you're from the UK, Bitcoin is obviously above 94K now. We've got institutional adoption, global trends that are driving the narrative. And if you feel you need some help, consultancy, help with building a portfolio that fits your risk appetite, you can join our free WhatsApp Crypto Insights Hub. Click the link in the description. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. I will catch you in the next video. And thanks for tuning in as always, and stay sharp out there, guys.